All right, everyone, welcome back to week 4 for graphic design. This week, we're going to focus on getting you guys familiar with some software programs. You're going to look at GIMP and Pixlr. You're going to watch first the tutorials and answer the questions that follow. Then you're going to have a graphic design program practice that is using either GIMP or Pixlr to complete that assignment. At the end of the week, you guys are going to be discussing target audience. There's an assignment introducing what target audience is and how to identify your target audience. And then there is a target audience practice assignment where you're choosing one of the audiences below and completing the assignment directed towards that audience. All right, if you guys have any questions throughout the week, please do not hesitate to reach out. Make sure you guys come to live class Thursday at 1 o'clock. All right, see you then. Take care.